Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to discuss about a new issue that I have faced recently. So the main issue is the code formatting. So I'm very much comfortable and I'm very much used to with Prettier. So in every project I use Prettier or any other formatting tools, but when I was using Prettier, I have faced a new issue like this. You can see a red signal here. So for example, if I want to format my code, so if I use my shortcut key or right click and format document, so it's throw an error. So like this, sorry. Sorry. Yeah. So if I do shift option F or this, then it throws this error. And if I click this red, then it gives me an error, that error loading node module this path prettierrc something. Okay, so how can I solve this? So first of all, it cannot read the actual file from our root directory. So here prettierrc, and it cannot, so or prettierrc.js. So what we can do to solve this, first of all we have to go to settings from VS Code settings and just search Prettier path, or you can just directly go to Prettier and then search the Prettier path. So I'm going to access directly, so Prettier path, and here if you can see Prettier path something like this, prettierrc and prettierrc.js, then simply you can remove this. All right, then just save it, command S or Control S for Windows, and then close the setting, and you can see my red mark from the Prettier is already gone. So if I do formatting again, option shift F or just right click and format document, you can see my code already formatted. Okay, all right, yeah, it's directly formatted and it doesn't have any error here. So I hope this will help you a little bit. So thank you.